Management is continuing to teach. That's good management. It's not ignoring. So I think that's a shift too, is getting people to understand that there's more power in being able to, manage your response to the behavior versus trying to react to the behavior. I always say there's a threshold when I can't teach around it means that I can't teach anymore. I just can't, because the child is rolling around the floor, they're running around the room, they're loud, shouting out. If you're making little noises, can I teach with it and just walk near you? Because what you're talking about is behavior management. I'm going to walk near the kid versus making a scene, because I don't want to be the one who creates the shutdown either. And so, but there's always going to be individual tolerances based on people's own background. And remember that automatic thought thing. And so people have to go through that and say, okay, listen, I don't like the fact that this kid is making weird sounds back there. And my automatic thought says they're being disrespectful. They shouldn't be doing this. They need to get out. But I got to change my perception a little bit so that I don't take it personally. And these are my teachers who take things personally. They also are so worried that the other kids are going to see that you'll let that kid get away with it, because they think they have to prove something in front of the other kids, and they don't. And instead of saying to teach, I never say to staff, don't ignore it. I always say to them, listen, when you decide that you're not going to, you're going to remind the child, say, hey, dial it down or whatever, but you're going to keep teaching, you're managing it.